You've sent out 100 resumes and nothing. If you're pivoting industries like moving from banking to healthcare, there's a specific reason you're being ghosted. The trap? Copy pasting AI generated bullet points. AI is a powerful tool, but when you let it do all the thinking, it shows. Employers don't want robotic bullet points that sound like everyone else. They want to see your unique logic and how your skills actually translate. Pivoting from banking to healthcare isn't just about changing titles. It's about translating a systemic way of thinking. The missing link in most AI resumes is workflow translation. You have to lead with the systemic parallels of your work. Take data logic. In banking, it's about accuracy and compliance. In healthcare, those exact same skills map directly to patient data privacy. If you can handle strict banking regulations, you can handle HIPAA, but you have to explain that connection clearly. Remember, AI is your translation assistant, not the author. Use it to find the words, but you must provide the logic. Hiring managers are scanning for context. They want to see how your past actions will solve their current healthcare problems. Generic AI summaries fail the scan test because they lack the specific industry flavor that proves you understand the new field. Don't just chase keywords. AI can fluff a resume with buzzwords, but it can't articulate your problem-solving methodology. In banking, your workflow is about mitigating risk and ensuring precision. That is a goldmine for healthcare administration. You need to explicitly map that risk mitigation mindset to patient safety or administrative accuracy. Show them the bridge. The fix is simple. Use AI for the first draft, then manually refine every bullet point to reflect a specific industry parallel. Keep your tone grounded and empathetic. Speak like a peer who understands the industry's challenges. AI often misses this warmth. When every other applicant is using the same AI prompt, your human-refined logic is what makes you stand out from the crowd. First actionable tip, audit your AI output. If a bullet point could apply to any person in any job, delete it or rewrite it. Compare the generic managed data to translated financial data logic into healthcare administrative workflows. Feel the difference? Second, focus on parallels. Find the why behind your banking tasks and explain how that why applies to healthcare. This is systemic thinking. It shows you're not just a worker, you're a strategist who understands how systems function. Your resume is your 30-second pitch. If it sounds like a machine wrote it, why would they hire a human? Mapping regulatory reporting from one field to another shows high-level competence that AI simply can't fake. Avoid the robotic feel by using active human-centric verbs. Instead of facilitated, use pioneered or navigated. High-volume transaction experience in banking, that's high-volume patient intake or claims processing in healthcare. Let's recap. Prioritize logic, focus on translation, and maintain a peer-to-peer tone that builds trust immediately. Pivoting is hard, but showing your logical value makes it inevitable. You have the skills. Now just translate them. Don't let AI drive your career into the ghost pile. Use it as a tool, but keep your human logic at the wheel. For more insights on healthcare data analytics and professional pivots, make sure to follow Teaching Trends. I'm here to help you bridge that gap. Subscribe and let's get you that role you deserve. See you in the next video.